In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host your backend on Hostinger in just 5 minutes. If you've been wondering how to give your application the robust hosting it deserves without breaking a sweat, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and see how it's done step by step. To start with, you need to visit Hostinger's website. Hostinger is a reliable choice for those who want to bring their ideas online and need a website to make it happen. Once you're on their homepage, keep an eye out for the login button. This is your gateway to creating an account if you haven't already, or accessing an existing account. Click on Login and enter your credentials to access your Hostinger dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the homepage of your Hostinger control panel, also known as H-Panel. This is where you manage your entire hosting environment with Hostinger. You'll want to look for the Marketplace option. It's usually prominently displayed, ready for you to explore everything Hostinger has to offer. By clicking on Marketplace, you're taking the first step into a broader world of hosting possibilities. Next, you'll be directed to a range of services that Hostinger provides. Your focus here should be on hosting. Click on it and you'll find a host of options including various hosting plans. What you're interested in today is VPS hosting. Now, VPS or Virtual Private Server is a fantastic choice if you want enhanced control over your hosting environment, better performance and greater scalability for your backend operations. Once you click on VPS hosting, look for the Explore button. By selecting Explore, you're delving deeper into the options and configurations available with VPS, allowing you to tailor hosting to your specific backend needs. The final step in this process is to click on Add New VPS. This is where you actually set up your VPS hosting service. By adding a new VPS, you're creating a dedicated environment for your backend that promises reliability and performance. Follow the subsequent prompts to configure your VPS. Hostinger makes this step straightforward, guiding you through selecting a plan that suits your needs based on storage, RAM, and other performance metrics. And there you have it. With these steps, you have successfully set the stage to host your backend on Hostinger, ensuring it runs smoothly and efficiently. This virtualization of your hosting environment empowers you to manage traffic better and optimizes your backend's responsiveness, thus enhancing the overall performance of your application. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit. Hostinger offers a great platform, and with your backend now hosted there, you're set for success. Thanks for tuning in, and happy hosting.